night, my beautiful fiancé, as I whisper love to you. I dream of you tonight while you rest beneath the moon. Though I stand beside you, my heart feels so far away. I long to hold you close in my arms each single day. You are so wonderful and truly beautiful to me. I can't wait for the day we see. As a broken man, I offer you my heart so true. You are my angel in the sky, and my world is new.
You are my angel in the sky, and my world is new. You are my angel in the sky.
I love you so much with every beat of my soul. Drifting gently through the nights as I drift away. Your beauty shines like stars to guide me on my way.
Sweet cuddle you every day with love so deep. Our bond will grow forever.
Sleep tight, my love, as we share so tight. I love you.